Okay, so this is a 2019 Highlander XLE, and what we're going to do is the speakers have gone bad on this thing, and so we got to pull this guy out. And there's a couple of things you got to do. There's a panel right back here that we got to stick a flathead screwdriver, you know, something like this. I don't know if you can see, but let me go ahead and do that number. And then there's that Phillips head there. And then there's this guy up here that we got to pull off, which is right here. And I'm using these plastic things so they don't mar. And this guy, supposedly, you're supposed to be able to pull it out just like that. Wow. Yeah, and you hope you don't break anything, right? Yeah, it's still good. These guys are still there. So man, that came out pretty easy. All right, I'm gonna put everything over here. All right, so we're gonna remove this screw. All right, and then this guy we have to lift up. And the guy, one of the guys online said somewhere from in here. There you go. Pick that up. Pick that up. And now there's this guy over here. And let's see, hang on. Let me go over here. Yeah, this one's pretty straightforward. You don't have to. I think you got to pinch right here on this guy. So you pinch on that with your thumb, and that comes up. And then this guy over here has a little bit weirder. It's right here, this guy. You got to press in, and then, let's see. Yeah, press in, and you should. Well, is it not coming out? Trying to see if there's another part over here that I'm missing. But no, the guy made it look real easy right on camera. Yeah, I'm really pressing on that. Yeah, I see what's happening is this guy, it's right here that it's not going past the, there you go. I think that did it. Yeah. Okay. Well. I don't know if y'all heard that snap. It snapped right back in. But it's kind of odd, man, that. All right, let's try that again. I think it's possible that we have to. Yeah. Yeah, we definitely need to get this off. Yeah, it's already past that. Well, maybe on the other side it's got the same thing. No, it doesn't. See? Oh yeah, it doesn't. Alright, well, if you first don't succeed, try again. Is that what they say? Mm-hmm. Alright, there we go. But now, I'm wondering if we got to pull this whole plastic thing out, and then the thing comes out. Kind of looks that way. right, there you go.
Good.
That's just weird, man, the way that's set up. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
Really weird. Yeah, I guess. Okay, I mean that's that. Okay, so now let me get my screwdriver here and get this guy off. And I don't think this thing has been taken off. There is another screw right here that you do have to remove that's attaching this, at least on this car. Okay, so let's do that number. Oh yeah, and then we'll definitely have to get this guy off, right? This guy. We'll pull that off here in just a bit. Alright, so let me get this guy off. Right there. This guy off. Okay. And then make sure you look at the size, and they're the same size. Yep, those are the same size. This one's definitely not going to be the same size. Okay. Now let me go ahead and pull this guy off here. Let's see if I can get it with this guy. There you go. So this little guy right here has to go right in here. And then this blue one goes in here, and that blue one goes right over there. All right. All right. Now the light. The light. They suggest. Let's see if we can just pull the lens out. Almost had it. All right. And then that's hot. All right. All right, so now, before we started, we had already, there's a gap right here. It's hard to see because y'all are way up there, but there's definitely a gap where you can put your fingers through, and you pull, and it'll snap, like, so we can get it to, so that you can hear how it's gonna snap, like that. All right, that's done. And then over here, yeah, I think we're already done. So we gotta be careful with this guy because there's cables and stuff there. So let's see. Let us see. Oh, that's gonna. Right. All right, so you have these cables that we need to undo, and the bottom one's the green one, and you kind of do this number and then take it out. Then you do the same thing to the top one. I know it's hard to see there, but let me see if I can get this out without messing anything up. And then it should come out like that. And let me just show you. There's where the green one goes in, the little ball. This little ball goes in right there. And then the top one, the ball goes in right in here. Right in there. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
Right where my thumb is. Yeah. See, and these are screwed in. I mean, I guess you could try to unscrew that and the whole thing come out, but if we're having issues, maybe that's another way to do it. All right, so then this guy. Let me move this over here. Here's some more. So one of the this one stayed in there. I got to pull this out. I don't know if you can see it kind of broke. So I need to pull that guy out. See if I can get that out. Right here. All right, hang on. I think I got a deal that'll pull that out. Let me go grab it. This tool might work, may not, I don't know. Thing is I got to get it behind here, you know, in order for it to work. Yeah, so that's broken from right here. And here's the piece when apparently when I pulled on it. And I don't think I ordered any of these. But I'll put this one back on the door panel. And this guy goes right here. Just like that. Okay? Alrighty. So, what we're doing here is these speakers are bad. Oh yeah. At least I hope it's a speaker because I don't see any cone. Well, I have a kit where it comes with this guy and the speaker. Let me go grab the speakers if you want to pause that real quick.
All right.
Leave that here. Let me grab, I think that's a 12. Let me grab the kit that you need. Alright, so this is the kit that we got to replace that with. And then this bad boy is going to go in here. We're going to have to relieve some of these. Which ones are we going to have to relieve? We're going to have to tear out some of these guys. That's going to be interesting which ones we got to cut out, which ones we don't. I think we're going to have to cut all of them out because these are going to go through these holes. So all these tabs. all these tabs right here. You gotta, God. Wow. Yeah, the guy on this is from Crushfield, not a sponsor, and the guy was saying, "Oh, these tabs are real easy to break off." Yeah.
You have to bust out the Dremel.
Well, either pliers and just kind of snap them off. Yeah, but they do snap off. Okay, let me pull this off. I'll wait on this. Let me do this guy. Gotta undo this. Come on. Darn, this is. Come on. That like doesn't want to come out. Wow. And I do have the wire kit for it, so I just got to pull this off. Wow, that thing does not want to come out. Okay, you know what? Let me undo this, and maybe I'll have a better. Let me go grab the drivers for that. It's a 10, I believe. Oh yeah, okay. Let me let's pull these guys off. Now, the fun part is having this come off. Not much of a speaker. Boy, that is hard to get off of there. There you go. Okay, so now let me go see. I don't think there's a I don't think I can pull this guy off. That'd be nice if I can get this guy off, you know, without.
The new one didn't come with it?
Let me check if the new one, if that one came with it, but I doubt that it did.
Okay, he's talking about this foam right here to help insulate it when you put it up here against the metal.